Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Josie. ¿Cómo están? ¿Cómo les van? ¿Qué hacen? Hoy les traigo un review y vamos a ponernos uñas. Easy nails at home. We're going to be using this product right here, this nails right here. Got the coffin shape. Yeah, coffin shape. I got the coffin shape. I'm gonna leave the link down below in the description. So $17 if you guys want to check it out. I made a video using the beetles starter kit. If you guys haven't checked it out, it's gonna be in the top corner. Total for this set was, I spent $60 on this one. 60 because it was way cheaper 2 weeks ago, but I got it expensive for some reason. So 60 and 20, what? How much? I'm just kidding. 80, right? Yeah, so $80. And I mean, right now sounds expensive, but if you do your nails every 2 weeks, I mean, why not? I think that's cheap because you can do them your style, your color, whatever you want. So we're gonna go ahead and start with the nails. Así que vamos. I was just checking right now on Amazon. You guys, this one right now is #1 bestseller of the fake nails right now. So if you guys want to check it out, look. You guys, these nails are #1 bestseller right now. This is how they look. I got the coffin shape again. There's more shapes available if you guys like the pointy ones or square ones. They go for $18.99 right now. I got them for $17 and right now they went for $2 more. So they're gonna go quick again. I had to wait like a month to be able to get them. So we're gonna start with this. I'm gonna leave the link in the description if you guys want to check them out. Okay, so again, this box came by itself like that. I'm not sure if I lost the instructions or if it came in like this because I get rid of all the boxes from Amazon. You guys know for everything that's going around right now. So I don't know if I threw it away, but so I had to go on the Amazon site and I saw that they have the instructions there. So they tell you the application, how you're supposed to apply them. Just file the sides and cuticle area for an accurate fit with manicure stick. Okay, so I'm gonna file the sides. Okay, so I filed the sides of my fingers. Clean nails of any polish oil with acetone based polish remover. So it says to clean up your nails. I already cleaned my nails with acetone because I had gel polish before this. So I pretty much cleaned them really good before doing this. So I'm just gonna brush it. Y después dice, select the correct size nails for each finger. Okay, we're gonna start doing the fan. So you guys, this is new, so it has tape all over it. Be patient with me, please. So we're gonna choose our nails right now. Okay guys, so we just finished picking the nails, the right fit for my fingers. That took forever, so you gotta be very patient for this. Apply glue to nails and then apply thin layer of glue to nails. Starting at cuticle, press on and hold for 5 seconds. File and shape your nails. Got it. Okay, so I'm supposed to apply a little bit of glue, you guys, in my nails, my natural nails, and then some of the fake nails. It's crazy. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of scared, you know. It's the first time I'm putting this for myself. And I supposedly got the best glue out there for nails. Also #1 bestseller. I'm gonna link it as well in the description. You guys, I'm gonna link everything I use, you guys, so you know, so you can see. I'm scared. Don't be shy. You guys follow me on Instagram if you wait, is it like that? Yeah, follow me on Instagram if you guys want to follow me so we can chismear, you know, on that chismosos on Instagram. I'm gonna leave my Instagram link down in the description para que me sigan, para que me agreguen en el Instagram y para que chismeemos, ya saben. So now it says starting a cuticle, press on and hold for 5 seconds. Okay, let's go. This is it. Diosito, por favor, ayúdame. Oh my goodness, tengo miedo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Already found the right size of my nails, my fingers. Got them here. So now it just says to file and shape your nails as however you want them. Okay guys, so I just got my nails right now. I'm about to file them para que estén igualitas. I mean, of course they're not gonna be perfect, right? I want it to be perfect, but only someone I can do nails can do it so perfect. Vamos a checar el tamaño ahorita. Okay, so I already cut my nails the size I wanted them to be. Not too long. I don't think they're that long. I always like them super long. Hopefully I didn't leave them too long this time, but so now supposedly on the application instructions, that's all it says. So this is what's the last step. Just file and shape however you want them. And now I guess it's just time for me to choose the nail polish color. I'm gonna be using this color right here for my beetles starter kit. This color is so cute. It's like a peach color. Yeah, so I already put the nail polish and I cure it for 60 seconds. I put it in the UV lamp for 60 seconds and I am in love with this. I'm not even done yet, you guys. Look at this. I'm so happy with this. So next step is, the last step is to top it off with the top gel. But you guys, I found these little piedritas on Amazon. ¿Cómo se dice? Diamantitos. So these are so pretty. I found on Amazon. It's $10. Comes with this right here and this one. These are a little bit bigger. So you guys can see, and these ones are super small. I'm gonna add a little bit of this art to my nails to make it look more fancy. We'll see how it turns out. Alright guys, so I have the little piedritas right here. They are so cute. They have like really like a lot of different styles right here. I'll leave this one more. Okay guys, now that I have las piedritas on my nails, this is how they look. I go to my final step and add that top gel. And add a top gel, and I'm supposed to put it on the lamp, UV lamp for 60 seconds. Okay guys, so I took them out of the UV lamp right now and this is the final result right here. Look at these guys. They're not perfect, I know, it's my first time. This is so pretty. I think this is so pretty and easy to do at home. Okay guys, so I'm finally done. So I show you the results already. This is how they look. Overall, I think this is the best purchase I ever done. It was $60 again, but I think it's worth it because I'm going to be doing my nails every 2 weeks now. All I used was this nail box right here. I used the Beetle nail starter kit, and I also have I also have this nail cutter. This one didn't come with the nails, but I got it on Amazon for $5. I'm gonna leave every link in the description down below if you guys want to check everything I used. Easy to do. We're really not too expensive, so I will give it a 10. I really like them. So okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you do like it. Leave a comment down below. What do you think of my nails? What do you think I should have done better? Or if you guys like them, let me know. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification, guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye. Gracias. Bye.